Hey, it's Sam from Backstage Audio, and in today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Edifier T5 subwoofer. Now this Edifier T5 is from the Edifier range of subwoofers. I have two of these subwoofers with me already and I love them. Just the sound output is fantastic. So I've got a third one and I'm going to be doing the unboxing of this beautiful, in fact it's sitting right here with me. Not sure you can see it, but this is the Edifier T5 all in this box. So let's see what it comes with. So let's go and check it out. Right here we have the unboxing. It's gonna be nice. Of course, you know I'm not using an unboxing knife like some videos show on YouTube. Not that fancy on this channel. We just do things a very simple way, folks. Look at the fun equipment we've got here. All right, so what I've noticed is that the Edifier T5 unboxing, I like the packaging. It's like opening a Christmas present. You know, sometimes you get a present, and the gift wrapping just never stops. You get a smaller box inside, and a smaller box inside, and a smaller box inside. Just like this one here. I've opened this Edifier T5 and oh my gosh, I have to open another one. But this protects your subwoofer and I don't mind opening as many boxes as long as my subwoofer does not ship damaged. Okay, so I love this. Anyway, so let's open box number 2. All right, so now with box number 1 out of the way, we're on to box number 2. This is where the actual product sits in the box. I have to say this Edifier T5 is one of my favorite subwoofers. I've had this product for over a couple of years now. And I just use it like so often, practically every day. All right, so anyway, let's get back to the unboxing. Let's not distract ourselves. I'm gonna take this one off. This little styrofoam. They've provided 2 cables. So one is a 3.5mm jack, and this one is an RCA cable. This second set is 2 RCA cables. Okay, so both male, and again, RCA cables. Okay, so 2 of these cables, one with a 3.5mm jack and one with RCA, left, right. That's provided for the subwoofer. After that, you get, of course, this is an active subwoofer, so you have a power supply. This connects to your power outlet, and this goes into the subwoofer. A quick start guide, if in case you want to figure out as to how to connect this bad boy. And then the star of the show, your Edifier T5 subwoofer. All right, so now that with the cables out of the way, I'm gonna make sure you have to be so careful with this one, folks. Now, when I remove subwoofers from packages like this, which are a tight fit, I always check and see, okay, where are the connections? Okay, so these connections are at the back. Okay, so I like taking it out from the side. So this will be the front. The connections are here. These are the sides. So I like taking it from the side. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to just now always, okay, see it's kind of rocking at the side. Always hold it with your palm and be very careful at this stage. This stage could damage your subwoofer. So no matter what packaging you've got, it's not going to matter, because if your subwoofer is damaged, you know, during trying to take it out, it's going to be a problem. Okay, and what I'm going to do now is I'm going to just carefully glide it, okay? So I'm going to place it flat on the floor, okay? And I'm holding it, look how I'm holding it right here. So now it's upright. All I have to do is just unpack it. So it's safe at the moment. Now, like I said, this is a powered subwoofer. So it comes with your power supply, which I'm going to connect here. It also comes with an on-off switch, which is awesome. Okay, I really love the feature of the on-off switch. And besides that, it comes with the indicator. So this, it also has a standby indicator. If your subwoofer is, you know, it has a red light, if it's a red lamp, that means it's on standby. If it's a green, it is active, as in it is receiving a signal, a sound signal. Okay, so these are the knobs, pretty fancy, and I like the build of these knobs. And this is the volume dial, this one here. The next one is an LPF, which is a low pass filter. And then you also have a phase 0 to a 180. Now 180 is if your subwoofer, a phase 0, I usually use it. If your TV, for example, is facing in the front, if you're using it as a home theater, and your TV is in the front, and your subwoofer is in the front as well of your couch, and you're sitting on your couch facing the subwoofer, you'll set it to 0. Now, if you want the effect of your subwoofer being behind you, that's when you're going to do a 180. You're going to switch this knob over here to 180. You have a signal in and a signal out. So those are the connections at the back. Of course, on the side, like I showed you, if you put your palm here, you'll find the air coming in and out. Okay, and of course, this is the front of the subwoofer. It comes equipped with a grill. Okay, if you want to remove this grill, you can. I prefer having the grill on without taking it off. It protects the subwoofer from any your pets, or by mistake if you kick it with your foot. And of course, I like the build quality, very good quality from Edifier. I am gonna place the subwoofer where it needs to go, and that pretty much wraps up the unboxing. And of course, you don't forget to take this plastic out when you're about to use this. Okay, you don't want this blocked. So let's go and set it up, and that's going to be in one of my future videos. So I'm going to have a lot of fun with the subwoofer. I love bass heavy music. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing of the Edifier T5 subwoofer as much as I enjoyed presenting it to you. If you love these unboxing videos, make sure you subscribe to my channel, Backstage Audio. I've got tons of videos coming up, not just unboxings, but also just cool professional audio gear. Now, if you don't want to miss those professional audio gear equipment, okay? So make sure you subscribe to the channel. Until next time, you take care, and hope to speak to you soon in my next video. Bye for now.